Happy New Year 2026. Today is a new beginning, not just a new date. This year, I choose peace over drama. I am removing fake people, negative energy, and double faces from my life. I'm done explaining myself to people who never understood me. In 2026, I change myself, my mindset, my habits, my standards. I will work harder, think smarter, and stay consistent. I will win this year. I will succeed this year. And I wish everyone peace, growth, and real happiness. Happy New Year 2026 to all of you.